What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we've got something exciting for you. The brand new 2025 Nissan Xterra. Nissan's rugged off-road beast is back, and it's better than ever. From adventure-ready design to impressive tech, this SUV is built to take on any terrain. Let's dive in and see what makes this the ultimate ride for explorers. First up, let's talk about the design. The 2025 Xterra stays true to its rugged roots, with a bold front grille, sharp LED headlights, and a muscular stance. It's built to look aggressive, yet refined, perfect for city streets and off-road trails. Notice the pronounced fenders and the sleek roof rails, designed to carry all your adventure gear. Check out these LED matrix headlights. Not only do they give the Xterra that futuristic look, but they're also designed for enhanced visibility in tough conditions. Great for night drives through the wilderness. Now let's get into what truly defines the Xterra: performance. Under the hood, the 2025 Xterra packs a 3.5-liter V6 engine, delivering 290 horsepower and 281 pound-feet of torque. Whether you're hitting the highway or venturing off-road, this SUV has the power and torque to handle it all. With its 4x4 drivetrain, electronic locking rear differential, and terrain management system, the Xterra is built to conquer just about any surface. Sand, mud, rocks, snow, you name it. Plus, the ground clearance is an impressive 9.5 inches, allowing you to clear obstacles with ease. Switching between driving modes is super simple. You can choose between different modes like sand, mud, and rock. Just a twist of a dial, and the Xterra adapts to whatever the terrain throws at you. When it comes to safety, Nissan has loaded the Xterra with advanced driver assistance features. You've got Pro Pilot Assist, which includes adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assistance, helping you stay centered on the highway. There's also blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera to make parking and maneuvering easier than ever. Take a look at this 360-degree camera system. Whether you're parking in a tight city spot or navigating through rocky terrain, this feature gives you a bird's-eye view of your surroundings. Inside the 2025 Xterra, Nissan went all out on comfort and technology. The cabin is spacious, with seating for up to 7, perfect for family trips or group adventures. The materials are high quality, with a mix of leather and soft-touch surfaces. This massive 12.3-inch infotainment screen is the heart of the Xterra's tech features. It's fully loaded with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Nissan's Connect system. The system also includes navigation, voice recognition, and a premium Bose audio system. You've also got a fully digital gauge cluster that provides real-time information on everything from tire pressure to off-road angles, perfect for staying informed while on the move. For all you adventurers out there, cargo space is a big deal, and the Xterra delivers. With the rear seats up, you've got plenty of space for groceries or weekend gear, but fold them down and you get a massive 1,800 liters of cargo space, perfect for packing and camping gear, bikes, or whatever you need for your next trip. Cut to the host pulling out storage compartments and showing clever storage solutions.